Good morning. Welcome back English Bal Bharti class 4. Today with our English textbook we have to laugh, we have to fun and enjoy the next lesson from our English Bal Bharti textbook, lesson number 24, that is the laughing king. Now in this lesson we come to know why the king is laughing. So let's see with this lesson. Lesson number 24, the laughing king. Look at the first scene. Scene 1. King Leonard is taking a walk in his garden. Leonard: what a bright sunny morning! How colorful my garden looks! Oh, how sweet the flowers smell! Now, who is that hurrying here? Isn't it Griselda, the witch? Now here, when the king walking in his garden, so he appreciate the beauty of sunny morning and also the colorful garden and someone who is hurriedly coming towards the king. Now who is she? She is the Griselda, the witch. Of course it is. Now the king confirmed that she is Griselda. Of course is it. Why this haste and hurry? Oh, he thought that why she is in very hurry and fast moving towards me. There she slips and falls into. Now when the Griselda fall down, King started laughing. Ha ha ha, in puddle, ha ha ha. How muddy her face is. How wet her clothes are, ha ha ha. Now here the king still laughing when the Griselda falls down in the puddle and her face became dirty, muddy, and still the king laughing again and again when she is falling into the puddle. Next one. Griselda scrambles out of the puddle and comes limping toward the king. Now, Griselda tried to stand up and tried to walk into the puddle. Griselda angrily shouting, "Shame on you, King Leonard! You laugh at my fall." Now, here the Griselda very angry. Now, she said that, "Shame on you, King Leonard! You laugh at me, my fall." See here, when someone fall, that time we have to go there and help them. But here the king laugh at the Griselda when she is fall into the puddle. Leonard, ha ha ha. When she is angry, that time also king continue to still laugh, laugh and laugh. Griselda, if you like laughing so much, may you laugh all the time. Now here the Griselda very angry and she said that if you are laughing again and again at me, now you still laughing all the time. Zhang mang shang. Again Leonard, ha ha ha. Still he continued to laugh again and again. When someone laughing, so he is continue still laughing, which Griselda sits under a tree and frowning at laughing king, wicking off mud from her body, and which Griselda she sit under the tree and try to clean her dirty clothes and face from the mud. Next one. Now here, the palace, second scene. The king enters still laughing. The queen who has been looking for king comes to him with a plate full of cakes. Now here, when the king enter into his palace, he is still laughing, laughing and laughing, and there his queen who is waiting for king for the cake. Now let's see what happened here. Queen, handling him the plate. Won't you taste these special cakes I baked for you? By the way, why are you laughing? What's fun, dear? Won't you tell me? Now the queen, who is served the dish of the cake with the king, and said that, have you tasted the special cake I baked for you? The queen baked the cake for the king, and she asked to the king, why are you laughing? Here's something funny. You have to tell me, you want to tell me. But the king, nothing to say anything, he is still continue laughing. Ha 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 ha. Queen getting annoyed. Now here also with the behavior of king, queen annoyed. She is angry. Stop laughing, dear. You will drop the plate. You won't stop. Now here she also angry because the king continues still laughing, and he will drop the plate also. The plate falls from the king hand. Now with the laughing, he falls down the plate. Oh no, you have broken one of my best plate and dropped my special cake. Boo hoo hoo. Now here the special cake baked by the queen for the king. The king still laughing, and with the laughing he falls the plate and all cake displayed spread on the tiles, and the queen again angry with the behavior of king. She said that what she said? She said that you will broken my best plate and drop the cake also. Leonard still continue laughing when all the incident happened. The Leonard king still continue laughing. Ha 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 ha. Now there, after this incident, Princess Cynthia comes and see her father laugh and her mother cry. Now here, what happened? Now here what happened when the queen baked the cake for the king? He still continued laughing, and he broke the one of the favorite plate of queen, and she started crying. Now here the Princess Cynthia comes and see that her father laughing and mother crying. See the picture how the king broke her favorite plate. Now here look at this. Cynthia, father, we can hear you laugh all over the palace, but why you are laughing? And that too when mother's crying over the broken plate. Now here the Cynthia said that, father, I hear you are laughing in the morning, from the morning, but why are you laughing? What is the reason? And here my mother is crying for broke the plate, and you are still continue laughing. What happened with you? Something is wrong. Leonard, unable to control himself when the Cynthia questioning to her father, but he do not control himself. He still continue laugh and laugh and laugh. That ha ha ha, hoo hoo hoo, hoo hoo hoo. Cynthia consoling her mother, never mind, Mama, I will pick up the broken pieces and try to mend the plate. Oh, I love cut my finger. Now here, the Cynthia, who is consoling her mother, said that, never mind, Mama, I will pick all the pieces and try to join all the plate once again. But when Cynthia started collecting the pieces, she cut her finger also. Leonard laughing louder and louder. When her daughter cut her finger, that time also Leonard laughing, laughing, and laughing only. Cynthia, starting at her father angrily, staring, he very angry that my father is laughing when the finger is cutting. When my finger cut, that time also my father is laughing. Father, how can you laugh when I will cut my finger? Boo hoo hoo. Now here Cynthia very angry with the father's behavior. Leonard. Oh ho hoo hoo ha ha. I should stop laughing. Hey hey hey, but I cannot. Ha ha ha. Let me go and consult my council of wise men. Ho 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 ha ha ha. They will know what to do. Please, I have to help. I can't stop my laughing. Please help me. I have to go for counseling to the wise man. I will know and they will know what to do for stop the laughing. Scene 3. The wise men are holding a meeting with the ruler of the neighboring kingdom. King Ferdinand, the king enters the chamber, followed by the attendants. Wise man, Your Majesty, King Ferdinand has come with a complaint that thieves from our kingdom have stolen fruits from his orchard. Now here the wise man holding the meeting with the neighboring kingdom kings Ferdinand. Now the king enters in the palace and said with wise man. Wise man said to the king, Your Majesty, Sir King Ferdinand has to complain about that thieves from our kingdom stolen fruits from his orchard. Leonard helplessly holding his slides and lowering with laughter. When this serious issue also Leonard continues still laughing and laughing. Ha ha ha, hoo hoo hoo, ho ho ho. Now here Ferdinand in anger. When you are laughing at the serious moment, so Ferdinand is laughing and he still angry. How dare you laugh at my complaint? I will not put up this sort of insult. I will soon be back with my army. Now Ferdinand is very angry that how the king Leonard laughing at this serious complaint, and it will be I feel that this is my insult and I will soon come back with my army for fighting. It means when the meeting is still continue, that time Leonard come, and when the wise man told all the complaint, he shared all the complaint with the king, but king nothing to do all, and he still continue laughing. See, Leonard, ha ha ha, don't go my friend, ho ho ho, turn his voice man. Stop him, voice man, ha ha ha, stop King Ferdinand. Now here Leonard tried to stop the King Ferdinand, but he go away. Voice man, but your majesty, what makes you laugh at this serious hour? Now here the voice man also the question why the king is laughing at this serious moment. Leonard, ha ha ha, sorry, I can't help laughing. Ha ha ha, due to which Griselda magic. This all happening with the Griselda's magic. So I can't stop my laughing. Voice man. The witch magic. Well, let's all go to witch Griselda and request to her help the king. Voice man said that we have to go to witch Griselda and request her to help the king. We have to go to the witch and request her to her help him to solve this problem. Next one. Scene 4. The palace garden. The king entered with the voice man in the palace garden where the Griselda sat under the tree. There the king enters with the voice man. They see the witch still sitting with a frown on her face. Voice man, oh witch Griselda, our dear king is sick of laughing. Please free him from the spell. Now voice man said that, please Griselda, please help our king. He is still continue laughing. He is sick of laughing. Please free him from the spell. Free him from this sickness. Griselda, no, no. Why did he laugh at me when I fell into the puddle? Now Griselda, very angry when she falls down into the puddle. That time the king laughing at her. So she said that no, no, why did he laugh at me when I fall into the puddle? Now here the Griselda said that to the voice man. Voice man, do forgive him, please. Please do forgive him. He is very sorry for his behavior. Leonard, trying to control his laughter. I'm sorry, witch Griselda. Ah ha ha, hurt your feelings when I laugh at you when you fell into the puddle. But because of your spell hurt my wife's feeling and then my daughters and my friends by laughing at their misfortune. Ha ha ha. I promise you I will never laugh at others. Ha ha ha. It means Leonard says sorry to the Griselda. He said that I feel sorry that I laugh at you when you fell into the puddle. He requests to the Griselda to forgive him. Griselda, since you are sorry about your behavior, I will give you one chance. But if you ever laugh at anyone's trouble, King Leonard. Now here Griselda said that if you feel sorry about your behavior, then I will give you one chance. Then I will forgive you. But if you are once again laugh someone when he or she is in trouble, so I do not forgive you. Leonard, never, never again. Oh, ho. Leonard is very guilty about his behavior. Griselda, Shang Mang Jang, back to your normal self, King Leonard. Now here once again Griselda take her magic, remove from the Leonard. Leonard, at last I have stopped laughing. What a relief. Thank you very much, witch Griselda. Thank you. Now I will write a letter of apology to King Ferdinand. It means now the king felt a relief and he said to the thank you to witch Griselda. Now he write a letter for the sorry letter, for the request letter to the Ferdinand. I will get a set of new plates for my queen. What happening? It means all the incident happening with his laughing. First one, he broke down his wife favorite plate and also cut his daughter finger. So the king tried to say that I will set a new plate for my queen. Bring my daughter Cynthia. I will stick a plaster on her poor finger. But First, let me present a new dress to dear old witch Griselda. Now, here the Leonard King felt a very sorry about his behavior with the Griselda, and he tried to purchase or present a new dress to the witch Griselda. All three cheers for the kings, and all three are appreciate that king felt sorry about his behavior. It means all the still time when someone is trouble, that time we have to go there and help them, but do not laugh at them. I hope do you understood this lesson very well. Read this interesting lesson what the incident have faced the king Leonard and how he felt sorry about his behavior. Thank you.